Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on People HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in People HR login. And once you do that, as the search result, in the first option, you can see the website of People HR, or you can type in login.peoplehr.net. It will take you to the login portal for People HR, and here it asks for your email address. Enter the email address that you had used to register your account and click on submit button. It will send you the link on your inbox, and from there click on the link and it will ask for your password, and over there enter the password of your account, and once you do that you will be logged into your People HR account. So that's how you can log in into your People HR account. This much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.